All right, we made it to a new trail, one I've never been to before. Oh yeah, also, hi, welcome to the video. Yeah, so we're just gonna grab a bag. It's just a quick, easy hike. Well, easy-ish. Let's go check it out. I didn't even know this place was here. It's a campground. Never knew it existed.
It's both a hiking trail and a campground in one.
Yeah. So we're gonna maybe come camping here soon. Let's get on the trail. Yeah, 0.4 miles. This kid is like ridiculously afraid of heights and bugs.
Yes.
Need to get him outside more. Too many games. Not enough nature.
Steep trail.
Well, you want to hike Waterfall Canyon with me? This is nothing. Oh, hey. Hello, little friend.
What?
Look.
Oh. Look at it. Goodbye.
Goodbye, friend. Are you in a hurry? You got someplace you need to be?
I get there as fast as possible.
Why?
Goodbye. Oh, this is steep.
For an idea of how steep this hill is, he's taller than me. Yeah, it's a little bit steep.
Where's the next step? Ready?
Yeah. Looks like somebody had some fun coming back down.
Why? Oh.
We used to really slid down.
Whee!
I need to get you some hiking boots. Flat ground, we just came up that. That was steep. But, and Liam is still in a hurry.
Wait, we have to go that way?
I think so. I hear a waterfall down there.
Oh
But you're gonna have to basically go down the same thing over there where we came up.
no. Oh no!
Want me to go first?
Wish me luck.
All right, don't slide and hurt yourself. You're doing good.
I've only gotten this far in like 10 minutes. That's fine.
In like 20 seconds.
I'm literally just sliding on my butt slowly. I'm back. You can come down now.
You all right? What was that?
I don't know, as something that's poking out of a tree.
Oh, the tree stabbed you?
Yes.
That's what I did. All right, see if I can do this without slipping and falling. You see Liam's butt skid.
Yep. Hi, bud. Here, right there. Is that a well?
A well?
Well. Buddy.
You know what?
What?
I don't think we're supposed to go down that.
Why?
Because I think that's why it was telling us to go that way for the waterfall. Because that other path led to here. Oh, let's go down and check it out. We're here, might as well explore.
Owie.
Scrape your butt?
Yes.
Look at this big old pipe. Yeah, so it was interesting. It looks like they just built this something here. Waterfall, probably up that way. That's where we just slid down. We could try going up this trail and see if it's if it goes back maybe easier than the other one.
We need to make sure we can find our way back. So.
Oh, that wouldn't be hard. You good?
Not really.
Not really, why not?
Sun.
Oh, you'll be fine.
What?
We made it! Waterfall.
How are we supposed to get
Water
down?
that is falling down from there to there. That is a waterfall because the water falls. All right, do you want me to go first? You sure?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'll use the rope if you need it. A little frayed, but I guess as long as you don't put your full body weight on it, it'll probably be okay. Yay! Now, can I make it?
I don't know.
Yeah. Woo! Now it's time to go take a shower. Well, we made it to a nice flat spot. There's where we came down over there. Yeah, ish, there somewhere. Came across over there, climbed up here, and yeah. Now we're gonna go enjoy the waterfall. Gesundheit. Woo! Little cold. You get wet? Take the head off. There we go. Woo! I want to put my foot there, but that's a bad idea. Oh God, he's shirtless. Yeah.
Oh boy. Ah!
What? That's cold. My hiking boots are still waterproof.
It's raining.
That's weird. I don't see any clouds.
Cold. Cold.
moving like we're gonna.
Oh no, I think like. I just don't mean that to if I put the.
What?
I don't mean that to if I put my feet in natural water. Hey, in my feet. Woo! Woohoo!
Okay. Found a little sign up here. A beautiful hunter. Interesting. But it's time to say goodbye to the waterfall. It's been fun and refreshing, but time to head back. Nice to cool off on this really hot day though. But the bugs are coming out, time to go.